Alright, well, this is another one of those videos that I'm not very good at, but I had a couple people ask me to show some of my reel holder kits. So, the kit, when it comes to you, is going to come in pieces. So what you're going to have to do, and everything just slides together, it's real easy. It's got these little T-slots, you got to line them up, and you just slide that on there where you want it. And then what we're going to do, we're going to lock this down right here where we want it. And show you how to put some of the stuff together. These little black things here are for beautification. So we're going to go ahead and put it on here and make it pretty at the end here. They also keep, when you hit the ends of them, it keeps you from breaking the bark. And it's just all Allen screws. I send an Allen wrench. When I send you whether it be one of my reel holders or one of my camera stands or any of the contraptions I put together, I send a wrench with it. So here's a homemade holding device to go through the center of the. I got a little cork in there, just like you're going to do a rod, but it's not glued. And I have this right here, this little knob at this end. You put that little knob on there, get this the way you want it. Tighten that down. Then you can take your little reel, put your reel on there. I have a couple different accessories. For this one here, I've got this little magnifying glass. It's on an angle, T-slot. Real easy to assemble. Which, I mean, God, anybody that can repair a reel ought to be able to put one of these things together. But tighten that down where you want it. Now you got your magnifying glass. You can move it around. You can do whatever you want to with it. And I use a magnifying glass a lot because I'm blind and I need a magnifying glass. So then we would take that, and we still got to beautify this thing again because we hadn't finished beautifying it. So we'll take this one here and we'll put it on the other end, and oops, slipped. Alright, there we go. There's one complete reel holding stand. Now this is stationary. This don't pivot. Now we can take this, put it over here. And this is the cream of the crop here. I mean, it just like the one I showed you the other day. It's on a different base, but there's your swivel, and of course you can position the reel anywhere you want to. It's just that when you're unloosening screws for the first time, you got to hold the reel. I mean, this is a positioner, it's not a vise, so you have to have all your screws broke loose. This is more when you're working on little reels like this one over here, where and when you're doing spinners where you're having to deal with a whole bunch of springs and stuff. I'm telling you, it's just, I use mine all the time. But once again, this comes assembled, disassembled. Oh boy, yeah, ain't no way I can put this in a box. It cost an arm and a leg for shipping. We take the little pretty cap off the end of it, and once again, you can order just the reel holder for $79.99. Then this little contraption here, you see, and that just slides right out of there. Oh, by the way, I didn't show you, but this has a light on it. Kind of neat. And you can move it around. I didn't even show you how that operates. I guess I should put that back on there. Give you a little demonstration on this contraption. I mean, I try to make my life as easy as possible when I'm building these things. I'm building them for my convenience, and then if it's convenient for me, it should be convenient for anybody. But so anyway, this moves all over the place. You can put it anywhere you want to. It'll stay. Anywhere around the reel you want to go. You can. It's got several little ways to tighten things up, and you can position that anywhere you want to. Let me turn the light off. That takes 3 AAA batteries. But that's $29.99. And then if you want, I don't know why once you got this assembled you'd ever want to disassemble it, but then again, I can show you it's going to come in the box, so I should take the reel off of it. And then that comes like that. So there's your base. You got a T-slot base. Then you've got your customized doohickey, and so this is $79. If you just wanted the base and build something off the base, I'd sell the base for $19.99. Now, of course, I'm in business, so I'm going to give you a sales pitch, but like I showed you on the video, the first video last week, this you can just go get a reel seat. Hell, you can probably cut up an old rod that's broke, or just take the reel seat off it, run you a 1/4-inch threaded rod through it, and put it on a piece of angle, and you're done. That didn't do me a lot of good as far as making money, but I'm here to help. So, and then of course by itself, this is probably the way I'm using mine 90% of the time, because I have bench lights and magnifying glasses on my workbench, so it's just a matter of me using the base. So, but it does look pretty cool with all that other stuff on it, though. It looks like what was that movie with that guy that had all those contraptions all over his head? Something like James Bond or something. And the guy rigs up stuff for James Bond, and he blows up stuff, and he's got glasses and magnifying glasses and lamps. So once again, this is what I got. The Helping Hands You'll find that you won't use them much, but when you do need them, I use them for pushing against stuff and holding the line for me and different things. They're handy. And they're inexpensive. The helping hand's inexpensive. The contraption here is a little bit. It costs a little money to make this long stem contraption here. But so then when you get on that like that, you can put the little beauty cap back on the end of it, and but if you do a lot of reels, reel cleaning, I can even use this just for winding my reels. Well, that sounds rough, but I mean, it's a reel holder. That's what it is. So, thank you, and hope you enjoyed it.